Good day. My name is Alera Thompson. I'm the founder of Blue Sands Academy. Blue Sands Academy is an academic institution that trains young girls in using ICT to solve problems in their community. Blue Sands Academy was incorporated with the Corporate Affairs Commission in the year 2018. Now, what do we do at Blue Sands Academy? First of all, before I go to what we do at Blue Sands Academy, let me just give you a brief about who Alera Thompson is. Alera Thompson is an educationist with over 8 years of teaching experience. I'm also a girl child advocate. I'm presently the National Advocacy Officer with African Union Youth Commission. Is a volunteer position that advocates for things that affect the youth. Of recent, we just finished a campaign called End Rape. Now, Alera Thompson is also an Obama Fellow that was selected for the Obama Foundation Fellowship in South Africa. Now, what did we do in South Africa? That was the first inaugural fellowship where we have to meet with Barack Obama one-on-one. We were taking through series of entrepreneurial training, leadership training, and what did we do? We were asked to go back to our community and use the skills we've gained to cause multiplier effect. And what did I do? When I came back from South Africa, then in Kaduna State, I organized an ICT competition where we have over 154,000 schools that participated. The team of girls that I trained were among the top 10, and we were invited to Abuja, which is the capital of Nigeria, for the final competition. And at the end of the competition, my girls from Pinamina College won the competition. This is part of the project that I've done. Another project that I've done again is called Beyond School Competition Project. This one also involved over 90,000 schools across Nigeria, and the girls that I trained from Divine Progress School in Kaduna State became the 2019 winners of that competition. Now, what did they do? They built an app called Abilo. Abilo is an app that will help solve the problem of people living with disability. These are some of the projects that I've done and many more. After winning the competition, when we came back to Kaduna State, the Kaduna State governor invited the girls and had a congratulatory speech with them and time out with them, and also talk about collaborating with us to further build the app called CareMot. CareMot is a app that will help solve the problem of maternal mortality in Nigeria, which is a serious problem that we are facing presently. These are the projects that I've done. I'm somebody that goes into the streets. I look at girls that families and societies have given upon, girls that feel no hope can come. I bring them together to introduce them into competitions. They win money for themselves that they can use to take care of their school fees and all the rest. And I also want to say, if I'm selected into this first yearly marketplace fellowship, I'll bring in all the skills that I've gained over the years into the program. I will not just come and gain skills and leave. I will use the networking events to form collaboration with other young African leaders to see how we can further bring out solutions around our communities that will make our communities very conducive for living. Presently also, the girls that are trained, I am in talks now with the federal government that wants to invite them in January 2021 to come and pitch their project before investors. So these are the projects I do to bring out young girls from the slums and bring them up into limelight and make them gain all what they've lost. And I also want to say that if selected into this program, I have the skills in working in multicultural teams, because I've been involved in over 10 fellowships, youth fellowships, where I work with people from different countries. Like when I was in Germany, I work with people from like 19 countries across Africa. I would really like to be at this first yearly marketplace fellowship, because I want to make use of the collaborative networks and also get to meet with other yearly fellows. I want to share my success stories. I want to share my challenges. I also want to hear from them how they've been able to pull projects, how they've been able to do their business, how they've been able to impact their community. With all these things that I will learn, I'll bring it back to Nigeria. If I'm training 7,000 girls, I want to increase it to 30,000 girls in year 2021. The skills I will gain when I come back, I intend building the biggest and the best ICT competition for girls come 2021. So give me this opportunity and you will never regret. Thank you.